Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. There is not too much to update, but the key point that we have here that is worth updating is that Bitcoin is trying to break out of the local range. I think we might just be witnessing that. And now I already updated on Telegram and Discord that ideally we see that breakout today. Let's see. I mean, it's not really confirmed yet, but we've broken out of the channel. Now saying that there are various ways of how this can be drawn, right? But at least we had 3 touch points here and it's breaking out, and we are already above 30.5K, following currently the Elliott Wave count here to the upside. What I want to see now next of Bitcoin is a sustained break above the 11th of April high, which is at basically 30,580. Again, that depends a little bit on the exchange, but I think we might be seeing that now. Good upside, quite friendly price action here. No surprises for now. We are currently holding the orange support area. Support is not shifting yet to the upside. As soon as we can shift local support upside, I will do that. That's what I did say yesterday. If we really are and get into a third wave rally, into the heart of a third wave rally, which would be this period here, it's not so reliable to always update the micro count, because it sort of, it would, it gets people to be a bit too cute on the Bitcoin, on their Bitcoin positions, which means they try to sell every third wave top and try to buy back in a fourth wave. But the thing is, in a third wave rally, if you get all these wave 4 lows and a third wave tops of the subwaves, then you often get very shallow pullbacks. And I think we might just now see the breakout. So it might have broken out already when I upload the video. But we talk in this video about targets, and again, just want to highlight to you that what is worth doing is to add these support areas which are relevant, right? So these small support areas which are always going to be relevant for further upside continuation, as here. As I said, as long as we're holding 29,137, the focus can remain on the upside. So these are the tradable areas which are relevant. They are the tradable area. They can be traded. They can be used for trading, these areas. How you use them for trading, that's up to you. But they are the areas where, according to Elliott Wave, you have to move into a different scenario. And if you know the alternative scenario, you can, of course, then follow that and adjust your plan and strategy. So we might be witnessing that breakout now, getting a rejection there at resistance at the moment. But what I wanted to do is just sort of, again, to highlight to you the key targets here for the fifth wave. What do we have? So there's a few ways how we can calculate targets. For one, we take the length of the wave 1, we go to the low of the wave 4, as we may have a confirmed bottom. Again, it's not entirely confirmed yet. We haven't really broken out and sustained yet. But target-wise, you talk about 31,240, which is the 1-to-1 ratio. It's the common target, but Bitcoin sometimes does go higher. Bitcoin likes to do extended fifth waves. Now, in the smaller subdivisions here, I mean, this is the 1 hour chart, you don't always get that. But a very reasonable target is 31,240. And then you can use these other extensions as well, should Bitcoin extend higher. For example, the 1.618 extension at 32.2K, but that would be quite a bullish perspective for just this fifth wave to the upside. Then we've got here waves 1 through 3 is another way of calculating target. And then we go to the low of the fourth wave, and we get basically as a very first target here the 38.2 extension. That would be very short for Bitcoin though, so don't really consider that. But then we've got the 31.66K level. That's the common one, the 61.8 extension. And if it goes above that, obviously you had the other targets as well. So it's sort of the range where we could expect it. For now, we seem to be getting a rejection, but you always get rejections, right? It's all about, is the trend sustainable? And even if we get rejected here now, it can still try again, right? It can always try again as long as it's holding the 29,130 level. So yeah, there is not much more really to add here at this stage. Maybe in the next video, we've already seen the breakout. I will keep you updated. Bear in mind, this seems to be a wave 4, so it can be boring, it can be long. But we are definitely at the top of the range, so might be just retesting the channel from the upside and up. There we go. Okay. Yeah, so hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.